This is a step by step how to send 10,000 people message or thousands of people message every day using our sender. This depends on the package you choose or package you purchase. Right here, you can see that I have 50k to send message, 50k credit. This 50k credit means that I have to send 50,000 people message monthly. Not bad. You can even purchase one limited or 150,000, depends on your own plan you are into. So let's start by extracting email, verifying email and sending. Let me take you to my email verification. Here, I'm already verifying 400 email. You can see we already get 90 valid email and 2 invalid email. But what about if you want to extract email? Because when you purchase our email sender, let me take you to our plan to break this in down for you. When I click purchase credit, we have two price plan here. 20,000 naira. This is a naira plan. You can pay with any currency, but it's a naira. 20,000 plan, you only get email sender, 1k daily subscription. This is 1k daily limit. This 20,000 naira can send you only 1,000 people message every day for this 20,000 naira. If you're from 80,000 naira, this is it here. You can send up to 150,000 people message every month. And the email extractor included here, and email verification, and also phone number extractor included in this service. So we are getting the full package for the 80k. And the daily limit of 80k here, you are see every day you can send up to 5,000 people message. You can use five. You can spend 5,000 credits every day. That is 5,000 message every day. So let's go ahead to one of our extractor. This is the extractor that comes together with the email sender. So this extractor, you can choose to extract email on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Let's say I want to go for LinkedIn right now on this video. You can target your country, Australia. You can include any domain that you want to extract email here, Outlook, and more. Keyword is where I tell system, this is kind of clients I want to work with. This is people I'm searching for online. If you are searching for individual, you can write name. My name is Solomon, and it's going to extract your email based on this name. If you want CEOs, you can write CEO. If you want manager, you can write manager. Anything you want, you can type it there, and it's going to extract your email based on your keyword. Though this has limit because of browsing, but you can have it for the day. And here you can see the system already started extracting us email addresses here. As you can see, the email have automatically extracted. And when this email done extracting, we need to push it to verification. Before you use our sender, make sure you verify your email addresses. That is important. Let me take you back to email verification because we are verifying email before. So to see if our email have finished verifying. No, you see here we have already get 2,000, almost 300 email, our valid email that we are going to send message, people that we are going to send message, while our extractor also keep extracting. To make it even more better for you to know how this service work and important it is, we also get access to phone number extractor. And this is the phone number extractor here. This extractor here extract only phone number, and it can also extract only email addresses. Let me show you how that work. First of all, I'm going to click dashboard, click new search, and you can see this is a default keyword. I can delete it. Let's say you want to search for people in United States. I can do managers in the USA, USA, and I'm just going to click add. I can even do plus one if I want to do. I can just do plus one CEO. This is United States also. Directory is United States because United States use plus one. So next thing you need to do here is click target's website. I want to check orders. You can load as much as you can. You can even go AliExpress here, Amazon. But I want to go by LinkedIn. I love to work LinkedIn. It's for my own reason. You can work with any all this website here. After you load the social media platforms you want to work with, just click setting. This settings show you, do you want to start email address or do you want to start phone number? Because the other ones have a certain email, I can choose to start phone number on this. But let me choose to start phone number because the other one is already a starting email. So what I'm going to do, just click start search. And this system is going to dive in and start search. Let's go back to the other extract of this one. We need to export this file. This file, we need to export it to verification. To do that, right click on your mouse and see CSV file, export. This CSV file is going to export on your computer. You can name it anything. This is a, let's say, demo extractor. I can just write anything and save it. So all these email addresses, we need to verify them. To do that, go back to our email verification and you can see the 400 I'm verifying have finished. Just click refresh. Once it's complete, click refresh to get the accuracy data. I have 395 and 11 invalid email. So this invalid email is not is bad for you to send a message. So right now I have to export this email to sender. But before then, let's import the one we just export from email extractor direct. Let's export these email addresses. Let's import these email addresses on verification. Go back to the verification and click choose file. Now, remember, I will choose that as a demo extractor. I can go click download or I can go to home so that I can see my demo extractor. This is the demo extractor. I save it and I name it demo extractor. I can just open it to import. So here you can see the email addresses on this is 100. So I got to refresh the page to start verifying. So click verify. So this system is going to start verifying these email addresses. As you can see, it's already started collecting valid email. I love LinkedIn so much because LinkedIn is almost accurate, 95% valid email always. Now I have to export this 400, this 395 email addresses, people that want to send message. I want to export this to my sender. Click download and select only deliverable email, download it. You can see the file automatically download on my PC. What I need to do, go back to my sender. We need to upload this email we just verified. You need to upload the email we just download from verification right now. Just click contact and click group because I want to save it on my group. Just create group. This email, I'm going to call it managers because managers lead. This is the same way you upload email or email is on your notepad on your computer. So I'm going to upload the email list on this manager's lead. So you can see the lead, the contact is empty, zero. Click that contact. And here you have to create the contact. The contact we need to import. We are not going to do manual. We need to import. Then choose the group managers. See, I do it managers is where I want to import the email I just verified. Then click upload here. Close this. Click upload to make sure you find the email you just verify. We download for verification. I can go to download, and this here CSV file 65. That is the email I just download from my email verification right now. Click it and open it. It's going to load and give you all the headers here. All these ones I don't need it, but I will just leave it like that. But only one thing I will do is switch email to email contact. That is the only thing I will do here. I will switch this email to email contact because there's a contact on it. So scroll all the way down and click save and click submit. Next step, we need to check our email verification to see if our last email we are verifying have finished verifying. Scroll all the way to the top. You can see complete. The 100 email have complete verifying. We get 87 valid email and 9 invalid email. So I'm going to refresh this page and here you see the read data pop up. Just I can just go ahead and download only good email. Right now, we need to import this email on sender and go ahead and compose message to our target people to send message to these email addresses. And you're going to see how I'm doing to do that. Click group again. I want to do this one is CEO. That's a CEO. This is CEO. Save it. And you can see the other the as you can see the managers lead have appeared here 395 contacts. If I open it, it's going to pop up like this. Here is all the email addresses here. All the email addresses is here. Of course, if somebody respond your message, and you don't want to send them message again, you can always come back to dashboard like this and copy this email and paste it here and just hit search. And the email will pop up and just turn it off so that you will not send this person message again because you're already working with the person. Then I will going to turn it on back. And right now I'm going to go back to contact list, create contacts, and import. We're going to do import, choose group CEO, upload the file. This is the one, the last one today. You can see the other one I upload, the first one I upload. This one is the latest one. Import it. And you can see all this here. We don't want it. We just want to switch email to email contact. That is your job here. And save. Click submit. Now go back to the group and you can see the CEO still empty because we just submit now. It's going to appear like this one. But we need to send message to this 300 and something people. How can we send message to these people in together in one click of a button? Go to message, choose to send email, go all the way to group audience and click group, select manager's lead. CEO never appear because the CEO still loading. Scroll all the way to down, choose gateway SMTP. Next thing you need to do here is to add sender name. And sender name is, let me say, I'm also CEO on my own company. And reply to, let me show you this. Reply to email address is where I want these people to respond me on my own private email address. You can add any of your email addresses that you have the login details where you want to control the job or your project. Go ahead and compose this message. How to write effective message. Head over to ChatGPT. I have given ChatGPT a prompt how to write good message. Tell ChatGPT the kind of people I'm searching for, where I'm messaging them, and tell ChatGPT to write their pain points. Give me 3 lines, and this is it. This is the email addresses here. Finding quality clients online is tough. We make it easy. Our lead finder software help you discover and reach out to high quality prospects. So this is very okay for me, but I'm also going to twist it small. All I have to do is take all this email. You see how my message is simple and short. Despite that I load all this with ChatGPT, I just make it tell him to close it with shorter. Go back to sender, press it on your body message. I'm going to press it here. This here, how to twist this in. Interested, reply this message. I'm going to do something like I all share. See, I'll share the details if you are interested. Then you can do. Okay, I'm CEO, CEO, solo branding. So this is my email. So subject line, ChatGPT give us subject line. Do not forget, this is it. Struggling to get clients online, we have a solution. So very good subject line. Go back and paste it on your subject line. And now we have to send 3,300 people message, almost 400 people message by clicking send as I send here. So the message is automatically going to send to them. So if I go back to my dashboard, you can see we are load them here, 399 total. You can see 395 pending to send message. So within under a minute or two, this is going to send them message on our behalf. So now that you learn how to send message effectively, how to verify email, how to extract email, if you want to get access to full package, click purchase credit and buy SNTP email extractor and email verification, 150,000 email monthly, and this is 8,000 naira 30 days. Of course, if you want a custom order from us, if you want to increase this limit, if you don't want to send 5,000 message daily, if you want to send 10,000 people message, contact us. How to contact us is go straight to support. You can see your support here, click it and create ticket. Here you can choose high or low. So write a subject line, what you want to contact us for, and write it here. You can write your daily limit of your own choice and how many email you want to send in a month or in a day. We can customize price for you and sell it to you. Of course, you can also load screenshot of it if you have any payment screenshot if you don't want to go manual. This is also work perfect if you make any payment manual and you will never get approved fast. You can submit tickets, click support and create tickets. Write us here, include your problems, and we're also going to respond to you solving your problem fast. See you in next video.